Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Detra Z School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with 7th chapter of business studies, and today we are going to discuss about retained profits, earnings, its features, and what is GDR and its features. So, starting with retained profit. Retained profit are also known as plowing back of profit, retained earnings, self-financing or internal financing, reserves or surplus. Retained earning refers to undistributed profit after payment of dividend and taxes. It provides the basis of expansion and growth of the companies. It is considered the most important source of finance. Since it is internally generated, this method of financing is known as self-financing. Now, let's see the finance associated with the retained earnings. Question of security, funds for new and innovative projects, medium and long-term finance, conversion into ownership fund, most dependable source, no interference. Now moving to GDR. GDR stands for Global Depository Receipt, and they are issued against issue of equity share in global market. These are indirect equity offering. The equity share against GDR are held by an international bank called depository. Companies issue dividend notices, report card, etc. regarding these shares to a bank only. These shares are called depository shares. The holder of these shares do not have voting rights. The capital contributed by these shares is in dollar. That is why these are called dollar denominated instruments. The GDR receipt. GDR first introduced by the Citibank in 1990s. Now, what are the features that are associated with GDR? Capital collected from the issue of GDR is in foreign currency. Second, the issue price of GDR is fixed on the basis of investors' response. Third, no voting rights. The voting rights of GDR holder is no. GDR are easily and freely transferable at the stock exchanges. The first Indian company to issue GDR was Reliance Industries. It has sold $150 million worth of GDR in 1992. Now, moving back to retained earning, I have said question of securities for the features of retained earning. The retained earnings are considered as a cushion of securities because they provide support in times of adversity, when a company finds it difficult to arrange finance from any other sources. Funds for new and innovative projects. The retained earnings are a common source of funds for financing risky and innovative projects. This fund is generally used for research work, expansion projects, medium as well as long term. Retained profit is considered as an ownership fund. It serves the purpose of medium and long term finance. Most dependable source. As an internal source, there is more dependable than the external source of finance. The external source depends upon the preference of investor, market condition, and etc. And the last is no interference. With retained earning, there is no increase in the number of shareholders. Retained earnings involve no risk of dilution of control. And moving to conversion into ownership fund, the surplus retained earnings can be converted into share capital by issue of bonus share. In issue of bonus share, there is no outflow of cash. Investors too are benefited by the issue of share free of cost. And it serves the purpose of medium and long-term finance. When company requires fund for medium as well as long-term finance, one of the best internal source of financing is retained earning. Retained profit is considered as an ownership fund, and it is one of the best way to fulfill the funds requirement for medium and as well as for long-term projects. So students, today we have discussed the retained earning, its features, GDR and its future. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.